Financial transactions? In an era where cross-border financial transactions infiltrate easily, Skrill emerges as a beacon of innovation in the digital money realm. As a trusted online payment platform, Skrill provides individuals and businesses with the tools they need to navigate the digital landscape safely and efficiently. Skrill redefines the concept of convenience, whether you're shopping online for your favorite products, sending money to loved ones abroad effortlessly, or managing your personal and business finances with ease. Skrill offers an intuitive, easy-to-use platform designed to simplify all your financial interactions with just a few clicks, revealing a comprehensive range of services tailored specifically to suit your modern, fast-paced lifestyle. With its extensive global presence spanning multiple continents, Skrill seamlessly connects you with friends, family, and business partners all around the world. Send money across international borders easily and benefit significantly from our highly competitive exchange rates available to you. Moreover, Skrill's localized financial solutions ensure that your overall financial experience is perfectly tailored to meet your unique needs and preferences effectively. No matter where you live geographically, in Skrill, security is the most important thing. Advanced encryption techniques and robust anti-fraud prevention measures ensure the utmost security of all your financial transactions. You can trust that your sensitive financial data is securely protected, allowing you to conduct your personal and business affairs with complete peace of mind. Skrill offers a rich array of payment options, ranging from credit and debit cards to bank transfers and many other convenient methods. With Skrill, you have the flexibility and convenience to manage your finances according to your personal preferences. All of that is available within one easy-to-use and intuitive platform. In this instructional video, we will learn how to successfully open an account in Skrill Bank and verify the account. We will also learn about the methods of withdrawal and deposit through Skrill Bank. Open the Skrill platform, click on the register button, enter the required information in the provided fields, then click on register again, and now solve the CAPTCHA to complete the process. A message will be sent to your email for confirmation. When accessing the account, you need to complete entering all the required data, including your full address, date of birth, and phone number. You will also need to choose the specific purpose for the account. Click on Save. Press on Next. Press on the negotiations. 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 The second essential step in account verification is securely adding money to your account. Please enter your credit card number along with the necessary information, including the card's expiration date and CVV code, to successfully add money to your account. To withdraw funds from Skrill Bank, click on the Despite Mode option. 3 primary ways exist. The first method available for withdrawal is to transfer funds to your bank account, but it comes with a fee of $4.77. The second payment method is via credit or debit card with a 7.5% processing fee. It is highly recommended to use Neteller Bank, which charges a fee of 3.48% for transactions. Below, you will find the maximum amount you can withdraw by each method, which varies depending on your balance. By selecting the preferred method to a bank account, you will find the accounts you already have listed, or you can choose to add a new bank account to your profile. Select the appropriate country from the list and enter the bank account number. Choose a bank. After successfully adding your bank account, you can withdraw funds by clicking on Withdraw. And next, select the account you have recently added, and then please enter the specified amount. Below, you will see the minimum and maximum amounts you are permitted to withdraw from your account. Click on Education. Here are the bank transfer details. Click on Confirm if you are absolutely sure. Any payment method can be used, whether it is via credit card or debit card. Click on Add Card. Please carefully enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV security number. Your card will now display in this section. Select the card and enter the amount. It will also clearly show you the minimum and maximum balance you can transfer at any given time. Click on Next. Confirm information. It will take approximately 3 business days for the transfer of funds to be fully completed and reflected in your account. Log in to access your Neteller bank account now. Enter the specific amount and accurately enter the email address associated with your Neteller account. Review the details and then confirm. The message containing the verification link or code will be sent to your email address for the purpose of confirming your identity and ensuring that the provided email address is correct. Regarding the available deposit methods, you can deposit either via credit and debit card or through your wallet. To successfully deposit via card, ensure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV number ready before proceeding with the transaction. As for depositing money via the wallet, you will see various options that may vary depending on your specific geographic region. SQL offers a rich array of payment options, from credit and debit cards to bank transfers and more. With SQL, you have the flexibility and control to manage your finances according to your specific preferences. All of that within a single easy-to-use platform. If you have been an experienced online shopper for a long period of time, an independent professional operating globally, or perhaps just someone who is looking for a smarter and more efficient way to manage their personal finances, tell me.